Listen, newsflash, cheap attracts cheap. I talk to a lot of coaches, PTs, and you run away at the thought of even investing in your business. Like you run away from it. You're scared, thinking, oh, I can't do that. But somehow you want to charge people for your services. You want to get loads of clients. You want people to pay you a lot of money. It don't work like that. All right. I started being able to charge high ticket the month I paid someone high ticket. Like I agreed, I paid someone £500 for a month, their strategy coaching or whatever the flip it was. And from then I was charging 1,500, and then I was paying someone £1,000. Okay, now I'm not saying you need to like spend more to make, like the more you make and spend and pay mentors higher. I'm not saying that necessarily, but what I am saying is that if you're a cheapskate, you're going to attract cheapskates, and you're not going to be able to sell convincingly on a call. I can sell someone something for £5,000 because I know if it's something benefits me, I don't mind giving a fellow business owner or somebody like me on a call £5,000 if it's the right thing for me. Okay, so look, stop being a cheapskate if you think you really want to grow your business. All right, DM me if you want to know more about how you can grow and break past these mental barriers.